You're welcome to English class today. In our previous lesson, we talked about argumentative essay. And by God's grace, today we are going to round up our discussion on same topic. So I want you to listen attentively and pay attention. Discussion. Today's on is going to be in form of revision in order to prepare you on how to do your exercise later. So in our previous lesson, I gave you the features of argumentative essay, and I said the first thing to do is to write the title, preferably in capital letters. And in writing the title, it all depends on how you want to present your argument. Is it in form of speech? Then the title should take the shape of speech. Or if you are presenting it in form of argument, then the title should take the shape of argument. That means it should be based on the question given. So the next one is the introduction. The introduction comprises things like salutation, the recognition of guests, and the writer should also thank God for being part of the argument. And lastly, he should inform his audience or his reader the side that he is taking. Is he for or against? So all these form part of the introduction. So the next one is the body of the essay. And based on our previous lesson, I say basically we have two sides in argument, the opposition and the proposition side. So it all depends on which side the writer is taking, and he should present his or her point in favor of that side that he is taking, and the points should be presented sequentially, and at least he should develop his ideas in not less than 3 paragraphs. It could be more than 3 paragraphs, but not less than 3 paragraphs. And the next one is the conclusion. The conclusion in argumentative writing is normally the part of the essay in which you make the final appeal to the audience to take your side in the argument, or at least to review their stand on it. In this aspect, the writer should review the points he has made, review what others have said about it, and then summarize his personal opinion and suggest one or more possible solutions to the problem. So all these are very, very important when writing argumentative essay. Exercise. The main essence for today's lesson is to engage you in doing some exercises so that you will know more about the topic. So I want you to use your textbooks and study the arguments on page 154 and 168 carefully. After studying these model passages, I want you to respond to the questions given in your exercise books, so that when we resume, we will deliberate more upon it. So by God's grace, in our next lesson, we are going to talk about tense and time. So please do have time, study on your own, so that when we meet next, we'll continue from where we stopped. Good day.